Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar Canadian dollar for 25th March 2021. So this analysis is for 25th March only. Tomorrow you will see me again with the analysis for 26th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So at last we have a good news in Australian dollar Canadian dollar. Okay, so we can see that right now market is trading at 0.9575. Okay, this, and the good news is that market has broke the previous low. Okay, so this means that the downtrend is still continuing, and another good news is that market is still getting resistance from the 50 moving average. So you can see here that in R1 I have mentioned 50 moving average. So 50 moving average, yes, you can see here 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market. Okay, so what should we do now? Okay, so right now you can see that market is in oversold zone right now. Okay, so market is quite far away from the 50 moving average, therefore we just need to wait. Okay, as this analysis is for 25th March, okay, you just need to wait for the market to go up and hit the 50 moving average. Okay, so when market will be in 50 moving average, just observe the price. Okay, just wait for the price to reverse from 50 moving average. Yes, confirmation is important because we cannot predict the market fully. Okay, once you get a confirmation in the form of a shooting star, okay, or good price rejection from above like this, or a red candle like this, okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance, just short term market. Okay, so as this is a downtrend market, so just short term market on resistance. Okay, simple strategy that you need to follow for Australian dollar Canadian dollar AUDCAD for 25th March. Simple analysis, hopefully you have understood. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again with the analysis for 26th March. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow then. Bye bye. Good luck.